My name is Anthony Balatti. I'm with Precision Calls, and this week's on Tips and Tricks, we're talking goose calling. First call we're going to talk about is doing a basic honk. I'm going to show you in the back of the call. I like to teach people who wit, and it's going to sound like this. And that's going to be the basic note for all your calling series when you're doing honker calling, and it sounds like this. That's putting the two notes together, and this is putting it together at full speed. Second note I'm going to teach you is just a cluck. And a cluck is, in the back of the call, it's going to sound like this. You put a honk and a cluck together, you start a series of calls. It's going to sound like this. That's a cluck and a honk, cluck and a honk. The third one I'm going to teach you is some ground talk. We're going to do some murmurs and we're going to do some growling. And it's going to sound like this. In the back of the call, it's going to be rrr, rrr. On the front of the call, it's going to sound like this. So now we're going to put it all together. We're going to do a scenario. You're sitting on the X. You got some geese coming in, and this is what I'm going to do when they're coming in to the X. Now let's say they're swinging out a little ways. You want them to sit down in a certain location. They're trying to drift off a little bit. And those are some basic goose calling techniques there. Hopefully you liked it. Like and subscribe and turn into next week.